Alright, boys, trade recap for tonight. I don't usually trade Asia session. Well, not anymore. Fun fact, I actually got my first payout strictly from Asia session. But I don't trade Asia session that much anymore unless the setup is completely A+. Like, there's no possible way I can see it failing. So that's what I had today. So this trade was based off a 4-hour rejection block. We had an NQ. Takes out these lows right here into a higher time frame gap. So then we go on the 5 minute, wait for price to come down, hit the CE. You could set your limit at the CE, but that'll just lower your win rate if you're constantly using rejection blocks. So here we hit the CE, got this 5 minute inversion here, and I did not actually take the trade on NQ. I took it on ES. Why? Because SMT at these lows, ES did not take out these lows as NQ did. So then that's when I take the 5 minute inversion right here. And then, oh shit, didn't mean to do that. Take the 5 minute inversion and then target the new day opening gap. New day opening gap is one of the strongest draws on liquidity you can ever have in trading. Another thing about new day opening gaps, they don't work exactly like fair value gaps. See, if this was a normal fair value gap, you would say, okay, we inversed it. That's not how new day opening gaps work. We filled it, and then obviously we're still bearish. PA's been weird this week, but we're still bearish. So after that, you just wait for a 5 minute inversion, and then, where is it? Wait for a 5 minute inversion right here, kind of small. And then I was late to the trade, so I just took a 1 minute retrace right here. And here we go. I don't know if I mentioned this. I did not actually take this trade. I just set it up because I have a 2 trades per day limit, and since this is Asia session, this counts toward tomorrow, and I usually trade New York session, and I still wanted to trade New York session, so I just mapped this one out. I did call it earlier though. I set my entry tool, and it looks like it's gonna play out here, so could have caught a little ping pong action, but I'm cool with what we got. We finished this trade with 900. How much did we make on this? $992. So not bad. Nice trade today. I'll see y'all boys for the trade for New York session tomorrow. Hopefully I may have a trade recap on that. Thanks for watching.